इन सबका साथ सबका विकास.
An amendment is being proposed to the Reserve Bank of India Act to enable the issuance of electoral bonds in accordance with a scheme that the Government of India would frame in this regard. This reform will bring greater transparency and accountability in the political funding while preventing future generation of black money.
ये सारे आंदोलन जीवी परजीवी होते हैं.
Now this is dangerous in the sense that any foreign company can also now donate to political parties, and nobody knows who is the one donating, which is the party receiving, and they have removed the earlier clauses and stipulations which had a ceiling on the amount a corporate can give to a political party. And that was 7% of the profits that were generated on the average in the last 3 years. जितना कीचड़ उछाड़ा है, कमल उतना ही ज्यादा खिला है.
BJP spent hoping 27,000 crores in 2019 Lok Sabha elections, which is close to 45% of the total election expenditure.
The latest data submitted to the Election Commission of India has revealed that the Bharatiya Janata Party received a whopping 76% of the electoral bonds worth 2,555 crore rupees.
तपस्या में कुछ तो कमी रह गई होगी.
The electoral bond scheme, the proviso to section 29C(1) of the Representation of the People Act 1951 are violative of article 19(1)(a) and unconstitutional. The deletion of the proviso to section 182(1) of the Companies Act permitting unlimited corporate contributions to political parties is arbitrary and violative of article 14. State Bank of India shall submit details of the electoral bonds purchased since the interim order of this court dated 12 April 2019 till date to the Election Commission of India. SBI shall submit the above information to the ECI within 3 weeks from the date of this judgment, that is by 6 March 2024. The ECI shall publish the information shared by the SBI on its official website within 1 week of the receipt of the information, that is by 13 March 2024.
मोदी है तो मुमकिन है.
State Bank of India has requested the Supreme Court to extend the deadline till June 30th for giving information about electoral bonds to the Election Commission.
The miscellaneous application filed by SBI seeking an extension of time for the disclosure of details of the purchase and redemption of electoral bonds until 30 June 2024 is dismissed. Full stop. SBI is directed to disclose the details by the close of the business hours 12 March 2024.
The court also raised the issue of the information submitted by the State Bank to the Election Commission about the particulars of the bonds, and they said that this information did not include the alphanumeric number of the bonds. So therefore, they have not given full information about the people who purchased the bonds as well as the parties who redeemed the bonds.
In the judgment which we delivered, we had expressly asked State Bank of India to disclose all details. The language of the judgment was all details have to be disclosed. Therefore, that includes the bond numbers as well. So, let SBI not be selective in the disclosure of details. We intend to clarify that it shall disclose all details, including the bond numbers, and every part of the information which is in its possession and custody. We will say that now SBI will not only disclose the bond numbers, but it shall also file an affidavit again before our court saying that you have not suppressed any, you will not withhold any details.
अरे हम तो फकीर आदमी हैं, झोला लेके चल पड़ेंगे जी। मैं जरा पूछना चाहता हूं इन सभी विद्वानों को कि 2014 के पहले जितने चुनाव हुए, चुनाव में खर्चा तो हुआ ही होगा ना, बिना खर्चा नहीं। कौन एजेंसी है जो मैं बता पाए कि पैसा कहां से आया था, कहां गया और किसने खर्च किया, है क्या? ये तो मोदी ने इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड बनाया था, इसके कारण आज आप ढूंढ पा रहे हो कि पैसा बॉन्ड किसने लिया, कहां दिया, कैसे। वरना तो पहले तो पता ही नहीं था, चुनाव तो खर्चा होता था। आज आपको ट्रेल मिल रहा है क्योंकि इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड थे।
मोदी ने इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड दिया, आज आपको ट्रेल मिल रही है थैंक्स टू मोदी। एक होता है कॉन्फिडेंस, फिर होता है ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस, और उसके आगे होते हैं मोदी जी।
ये मोदी थकता क्यों नहीं है?
मोदी की वजह से हम इलेक्टोरल फंडिंग ट्रेस कर पा रहे हैं। Are you saying, Modi ji, that you brought electoral bonds for transparency? Because your finance minister seems to disagree with you on this.
That time, confidentiality of the donor was given in the law.
Confidentiality was given in the law. So who was the one who wanted the donor list to be made public? Who wanted transparency? Was it Modi ji?
The court wanted that to be disclosed. It has been disclosed.
Yes. It was the Supreme Court, not the Supreme Leader, that wanted the list of donors to be made public. The official stance of the Modi government, in fact, in court was this.
Citizens don't have right to know source of funding. Government tells Supreme Court.
The Supreme Court wanted to bring transparency in electoral bonds. The Modi government's scheme on electoral bonds had secrecy baked in it. सुप्रीम कोर्ट को इनफैक्ट इतना लताड़ना पड़ा एसबीआई को कि भाई डेटा दे दो, कर दो पब्लिक डेटा, थोड़ा काम कर लो। एंड हियर मोदी जी इज गोइंग अराउंड टेकिंग द क्रेडिट फॉर इट।
और भाइयों बहनों, ये फकीरी है।
সে চলে গেলেও থেকে যাবে তার স্পর্শ আমারই হাতের ছোঁয়া, নুয়ে পড়বে স্মৃতির যেখানে দেবদারু তার কপাল নোয়ায়। সে চলে গেলেও হঠাৎ শিউলি ফুলের গন্ধে তারি সকাল, স্মরণের টানে সামান্য এক মুহূর্ত হয় অনন্তকাল। সে চলে গেলেও থেকে যাবে তার স্পর্শ আমারই হাতের ছোঁয়ায়। সে চলে গেলেও নদীতে খেলবে, সে চলে গেলেও নদীতে খেলবে চিরপরিচিত জোয়ার ভাটা, চেনা রাস্তায় একলা একলা তারি সঙ্গে আমার হাঁটা। সে চলে গিয়েছে তবুও যায়নি, যেমন যায় না আসলে কেউ। সে চলে গিয়েছে তবুও যায়নি, যেমন যায় না আসলে কেউ। স্টিমার দিয়েছে দিগন্তে পাড়ি, তীরে ফিরে এলো অনেক ঢেউ। সে চলে গেলেও থেকে যাবে তার স্পর্শ আমারই হাতের ছোঁয়া।